How to fix Windows script host Loader.vbs error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Scan your system with anti-malware. Ensuring your system is free of malware is a critical step in addressing the error. If that didn't work, System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are two vital utilities built into Windows to help repair system files. SFC scans and restores corrupted system files, while DISM, often used when SFC can't fix a problem, can repair the system image and fix the Windows component store that SFC uses for its repairs. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, click Check for updates, and Windows will check if there are new updates available. If optional packages are offered, install them too. Once done, restart your PC and see if your problem is resolved. Make sure the value data is set to 1 and click OK. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, you can restore Windows to its previous state without losing any personal files, provided you have the System Restore feature enabled. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will restart.